Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya di sini ingin menjelaskan tentang word to express a repeated action individually. Word can be used to express an action that was repeated regularly in the past. When word is used to express this idea and that the same meaning was used to. Sensual first sentences A and B have the same meaning. A. When I was a child, my father would read me a story at night before bedtime. B. When I was a child, my father used to read me a story at night before bedtime. Used to express a situation that experienced in the past, as in C. In is Cashwood might not be used as an alternative would in used only for regularly repeated action in the past. C. I used to live in California. He used to be a boy scout. They used to have a for repeated action in the past. C. I used to live in California. He used to be a boy scout. They used to have a fort.
Okay, here I want to explain about expressing preference. Expressing preference is an expression that expresses preference or preference. This expression is of course used to indicate someone's preference for something, which can be object, people, place, etc. Preference in English is an expression of choice or opinion that someone prefers. Preference can be expressed through several words, such as this word: what rather, what prefer, had better, prefer, and like. Okay, here I want to explain about what prefer. Prefer to do and prefer doing. You can use prefer to do or preferring to say what you prefer in general. I don't like cities. I prefer to live in the country, or I prefer living in the country. Example 1. I prefer something to something else. Second, I prefer doing something or to do something else. Third, I prefer to do something or rather than do something else. Okay, thank you for your attention.
Americans are more likely to use phrase like better when talking to other people. They use the word than after this phrase. For example, I like apples better than orange. I like watching TV better than studying. Here's how they do it in question and answers. Do you like tea or coffee better? I like tea better than coffee. Again, when answering, they usually only name the preference. I like tea better. Here is another example of a question and answer. Do you like living in the city or the suburbs? Better. I like living in the city better.
Would rather merupakan frase yang sangat umum digunakan di dalam speaking. Would rather juga sering disingkat dengan would rather dan juga digunakan bersama berbagai personal pronoun seperti I'd rather, you would rather, she'd rather, he'd rather, we'd rather, and they'd rather, dan digunakan untuk mengatakan apa yang lebih disukai. Contoh kalimat would rather itu I'd rather you told me the truth. Would you rather I didn't tell you the truth? And I'd rather you hadn't go out last night. Would rather is followed immediately by the simple form of a verb easy, have, visit, like preparing then are also in the simple form. Would rather plus bare infinity untuk mengungkapkan apa yang disukai di masa kini atau di masa depan. And I'd rather not dapat digunakan sebagai short response. For example, would you like to have coffee with me? I'd rather not if you don't mind. And shall I ask him to call you back? I'd rather you didn't.